The objective of this lesson is to be able to add total to stack chart, which is something very difficult to do unless you know this small trick. So here I have some data. So I have carrot, apple, and banana, and I have the years, and those are the sales. So I'm going to create a stack chart. So I select this, I click on insert, I click here, and then I select my stack chart. I'm going to format it very quickly. So I don't like personally this axis. So I'm going to click on it, press delete on the keyboard. Then I don't like those grid lines. I click on them, press delete in the keyboard. Then I'm going to change my title. I'm going to say sales performance. I can click on my title, also select it and go and do bold. Then if you see my x-axis is not correct, so I'm going to right click, select data, edit, and then this is my x values. As you can see, I get this. Then I don't like this legend here. I click on it. If this is not open, you can right click, you do format legend, and again you have every option here. So if you want to format any other type of element, you can do it here. I'm going to say top, and then I'm going to add my data label. So I select here, I click, and I say data labels. If I don't like these colors for my series, I can click on each series on its own, and then I can change the colors. So for example, I could use a blue, and then my data labels, I click on them, I make them white. Then I can use another color here, for example, the orange, and then the third color, for example, we click on this and we use something like gray. So now my chart looks a little bit better. Next, I need to add this totals, and I can't do it with this chart. It's very hard to do it. Whatever you do, you cannot do it. So how do I do this? I will add another data series. So I'm going to say total equal sum, and then we select this, we drag the formula, we just format our data, and then we right click here, select data, add, series name is total, then what are my values? Those are my values, and then I say okay. Now Excel thought that I want to add another value on top here. So this is okay for Excel, but not okay for me. So what do? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this to a scatter plot. So then they won't come as bars. So I click here, I can say change chart type, and I'll go to combo. The bottom I'll have my total. Instead of saying line, I'm gonna say I want a scattered plot. And my banana, if I take this, I have stacked column. Okay, so I fixed this. Then scattered, I say okay. As you can see, I lost the additional block that is on top, and I got those markers. Now I can select my markers, but it's a bit hard to select them. So what you could do, you can select anything, right click to get this, and then here next to this arrow you can say series total data label. So we're going to start with the data labels, and then we're going to go here and position them, label option. You'll have where to position them. I'm going to say above. So now they are fine. And then I need to get rid of this. So either I go here or I can just click on them, and I will just do marker. Then I'll have fill, no fill, and border, no border. And here you go. We have our sum or our total on top of this. Last thing I'm going to do, if you notice, total is here. So I click on my legend, then I click on total, press delete on the keyboard, and it's gone.